So today, you'll learn how to be able to import photos, videos, and audio into CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to launch CapCut, and then you want to create a project. So click on Create Project, and then this project page should appear on your screen. So the first step when it comes to importing is to just click on the import icon. Once you've done that, it will then open the File Explorer, and this will allow you to now go navigate through your Files app and find whatever it is you want to export. So for example, if you want to export a photo, navigate to where your photos are, and once you've navigated and found it, simply select it, and you can export it you can import it in two ways. You can double click on the image, or you can just select it and then click on Open, and either way, it will be added to this import section. If you want to import another file, then you can just click on Import, navigate through the File Explorer, and select whatever it is you want to import. So if I want to import this MP3 file, I'll just double click on it, and then it'll be imported. Then you can go back and import even more files. So for example, an MP4 file. I can look for it, select it, and then click on Open. And now I have the photo, audio, and video. If you want to add it to the timeline, you can do this in two ways. You can just drag and drop, or you can just click on this plus icon and it'll be added onto the timeline. And then if you want to create overlays, you can just come, drag the photo, video, or audio, and then just add it on top of the primary video option in the timeline, like this one here, and that will create an overlay effect and then allow you to edit using in the overlay option. So now from here, it's up to you to edit this to your liking, whether it's cutting certain parts, you can add keyframes, you can add text, it's completely up to you. But that's how you can import photos, videos, and audio into CapCut Desktop. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.